That made some.
Nice.
We just made 872.
872? What in the hell? What?
That's actually insane. Harry, congratulations. But at the same time, bro, start ordering.
Get your wallet prepared for a clutch, a transmission, a fuel system.
Booster pump, by the way. 1050's booster pump. Not even, oh my goodness.
This first reaction. First reaction.
Oh my gosh. Parker's about to blow my car up.
Procharged S650 making 877 wheel horsepower.
Needs a wash.
It's turned down too.
So we're kind of doing something we shouldn't. Harrison's car made 877 wheel horsepower and it wasn't supposed to. He ordered a new pulley, but either way came to pick up the car, waiting on the pulley. And what's happening right now, John?
Car meet. Going to Daytona International Speedway. We're gonna be taking this mother to 200 miles an hour. Only left turns.
Parker's driving it. Whoever's in the driver's seat is in charge if it blows up.
If I blow it up, I will pay for it. Everybody please leave a like on this video.
Yeah, leave a like.
Do you trust me?
I mean, the reality is
it should be fine.
We are aware of the problem.
Yes.
And if you go into boost, load is higher on the street.
Yep.
And if it leans out, it's not on me, dog.
I told him if I break it, I'll pay for it. I'm not gonna go over 4,500 RPM.
If you break it, you'll break it good.
Okay.
Like you'll break it clout stand good.
Like 3 connecting rods.
No, not connecting rods. Pistons will just disintegrate.
I will not go over 4,500 RPM.
Very good at reactions. I'm probably just gonna have the
Someone knock on some metal when it starts.
Huh?
Oh my gosh, Harry! Dude, no way!
Oh, wait for it, wait for it. I don't know if he's got it loaded up. The ghost cam. Have you seen it?
Huh?
Have you seen pictures of it?
Looks bigger than the engine guy.
This will go.
All right, listen. 7,500 RPM to leave the street.
He said that it'll go out to 8.
The ghost cam!
Doesn't stop. Wow. What do you think?
You gotta go out back. Holy! Did you mess with it? That's different. That is like revision 6.2. That's different. That is way different. That is so different. That's actually an LS in there now?
Huh?
There's an LS in there now.
I love it.
You like the ghost cam?
You gotta buckle in. That's so damn annoying. Are you a little nervy? A little nervy?
I decided to let you drive it since you never get to experience cars like this.
We're not gonna go crazy. Just to preface, if you guys did not see the previous video, this car is on 93, but Harrison got the wrong pulley, so it's making 17.5 pounds of boost. It made 877 wheel horsepower at like 6,800 RPM, which is too much for the stock fuel system. So we ordered another pulley, but it hasn't come in yet. So we wanted to bring it to Mustang Week Daytona, so we're just gonna behave. Sounds pretty nuts. That's it. That's as far as we're going. Ah, those gears are loud.
I remind you that I'm absolutely terrified of this right now.
Why are you terrified? Harry, it's not gonna blow up if I don't dog it. It made 877 with the foot to the floor, riding it all the way out. I'm not doing that.
Oh my god. already feel like it's going pretty quick. There's no.
I haven't even gone
Nothing
a quarter
wrong with it.
throttle. This is literally like tapping the gas. I wonder how loud it is. I bet if I put it in quiet mode. I wonder how loud the Procharger is going to be. I don't know. You probably cannot hear how loud it is on the camera or really from in the car. Outside of the car, that is so loud.
Did you want to act up so bad right now?
I can behave. I can behave when I need to, Harry. The deal was, because Harry did not want to pick it up. He said, let's wait till the pulley comes in. Mustang Week Daytona, we live right by Daytona. Why would we not bring it? He was afraid it's going to blow up.
There's
So
that exhaust rattle.
I made the deal. If it blows up while I'm driving it, I will pay for it. So I need to not let it blow up.
Question is, are you going to put the same stuff back in it?
What do you mean?
Like, let's say breaking point, clutch, what's going back in it?
Oh, I'm fixing it to what it was.
Oh my gosh. I might as well just get the money that it would take to fix the stock one and then just pay for the actual one myself.
Yeah. Well, let's just not blow it up.
Or that.
We made it! Yay! Got the ghost cam going. Sounds so good. Look at that thing. Nah, Harry, you gotta do this over here. Will you do this to yours? Bedazzled. It's bedazzled. Oh yeah, that's hot. It's a Super Snake, it's not a 350.
I'm digging the bronze it's got going on. Like the
It's a
satin.
hot car. They look really good. I don't think they're worth the price, but they're hot. I wish my car was done for this. There's so many cars here. Little GSP S650. I'm still running. See the exhaust exit on the saline. Straight out the back. I kind of like that. Taillights are a little weird. It's got a ghost cam too. Oh, that carbon.
Or farming with my car.
Whose name's on that title?
Sorry, King.
Yeah. I apologize to King. All right, we're about to show Harrison what this thing sounds like revving for the first time. This thing is fitted up with a big red blow-off valve. The biggest blow-off valve that you can get from Procharger, as well as a D1X blower, which is bigger than the one I had. Crazy thing is, that is exactly what made me on the internet. I had like 8,000 to 10,000 followers. I got a big red blow-off valve, Procharger, and I would just post videos of me revving the piss out of it. And that is what got me my following on the internet. I was known as the big red blow-off valve guy. So, about to rev this thing up, show Harry what it's all about. And I guess we're passing the torch for him to be the next big red blow-off valve guy. I need the key. So yeah, that is the loudest blow-off valve that you can get from Procharger. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but it is absurd. This thing sounds like a jet. We're still waiting for his pulley to come in because this thing is on way too much boost. We haven't really gotten a dog on the car again because we don't have the right pulley on. Plus is throwing up a pre-collision assist code that just makes the car fall on its face. Which is like, I think, one of the sensors in the bumper. So we're gonna bring it back to Andrew to swap that pulley out when it comes in, as well as maybe figure out what's going on with the sensor so that we can actually drive this thing a little bit harder. All right, while we wait for Harrison's pulley to come in the mail, Mad Garage is actually giving away this Supra, and I'm gonna get Harrison's first impression of it. God, this thing is so hot. So if you guys haven't seen Mad Garage, this thing is a 1 of 500 paint color in See You Later gray. It's like has a bronze flake in it, super sick. I got the bronze TEs to match it. Makes over 700 wheel horsepower, and I'm gonna give Harrison a quick little ride in it. This thing is nasty. Manual transmission, peanut butter interior. You excited for your first B58 experience?
Yeah, I am. Sounds good. Maybe I need a bigger tire on mine. Jesus. Yeah, definitely turn it down before you give it away. Oh my gosh!
A little spicy for a 6-cylinder, huh? So your car currently is making about 170 more wheel horsepower than that.
Perfect.
So you need to be careful or you will end up in a ditch. Dead. What are the after ride thoughts?
The S650 needs to be turned down.
Down?
Yeah.
You only make 170 more wheel than that.
That's kind of terrifying.
Is it a little too spicy for you?
That's a lot of car.
All right, next, since Foster's out of town and left his Model S Plaid. Gotta see what you feel about that. You've been in one Tesla, was it a Model S at least?
Yeah, I think so.
Pretty sick, huh?
It's bigger than my laptop screen. Oh my gosh! That's absolutely nuts. 105 already. I was not expecting that.
Is that not crazy?
It's pretty insane.
Ready?
Yep. Oh my god. That's an out-of-body experience. It's just like a $100,000 roller coaster.
So you now got to ride in the Supra and in the Tesla. Thoughts?
Tesla's very fast. It is a nice ride as well. Like I could drive this every single day and then probably go out and still walk everything on the street.
It will pretty much walk everything on the street. He ran a 9.75 mile on the street.
Supra sounds really, really good, and of course,
Supra has
it's a manual. It does have a taste. I think the Tesla also has a taste. I don't think you can really hate on them though. You can hate on them, but like now that they're doing this, like if you can have this and then also have your drag car.
We just got the call from Andrew. The pulley arrived, so we're gonna go get some more E30 and take this thing back to him, put it back on the dyno. and see if we can make 800 wheel horsepower on E30 and let this thing rip. All right, she's back on the dyno. Hopefully this time not making like 900 wheel. Yeah, you don't want that. So we're gonna swap to the new pulley that just came in. This is a 3.9? Is that what we said it was?
This is a 3.9, a 4.38 is
Okay,
what
we're going to a 4.38. So this one's making about 17.5 pounds of boost. We need to be making like 7 to 10 pounds of
try and
boost.
make like 21, 22 before we
You don't have, if you go get a fuel system right now. Well, talk about blue balls. We got the wrong pulley sent to us. This is the correct size pulley, the 4.38. However, this is for an 8-rib setup. Harrison's is a 6-rib setup, so this is not gonna work. He's gonna have to drive this thing back to Georgia with the 17-pound pulley on it. So he can still run the car on 93, but anything over 6,000 RPM is, there's making too much boost for 93, so it will blow up. So Harry just has to basically drive it home like a normal person, wait for the new pulley to come in from Procharger and swap the pulley that way, then he should be all good. All right, we've been released from Andrew Mustang Lifestyle. Still on the big pulley. He said 5,000 RPM is the limit. I can't end the video without getting one little baby, you know, see how she feels. Oh, damn. Please be careful with this car, Harry. Sounds nuts. So loud. It's just about to start. Once you can go over 5,000 RPM, it is going to rip. All right, fellas, well, Harry is about to make a long voyage home. He's got a solid 7-hour drive, so we're gonna try and get a clip of him leaving, and that should wrap up today's video. Are you happy with your $10,000 purchase? Are you excited? Are you gonna go home and be the most ultimate car guy douche ever?
I will definitely be a douche. I apologize if you live anywhere near me, because I will be known when I get home around 2 a.m. tonight.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is going to wrap up today's video of the Procharged S650. What did you think of today's video, Stark? Did you like it? Did you enjoy it? Let me know what you guys thought in the comments about the Procharged S650. Very excited to see what kind of power it makes when he gets the correct pulley and we can actually ride it out, but he is going to have a blast. Very cool to see that the S650s are finally tunable and people are making power. Excited to see what the Procharger will do. I don't see a ton of videos on them. I haven't seen them on many cars, so it's pretty new. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. That's gonna wrap it up for this one. Peace out, see you in the next one.